This is NBC 15 Law Call.
Hey everyone, welcome to Law Call. I am so excited tonight because tonight is the last night that I have to say thank you so much for staying up later with us, because tonight was the last football game that we're going on.
That's right.
Extended into the evening hours. So I'm excited about that. We are back to our regular 30-minute Law Call next week, and I'm also excited tonight because Alan Ritchie's here tonight. Alan doesn't normally join us on the panel, so I'm very excited that Alan is here.
That's
I'm
right.
excited that you're here
No,
too.
you're not. No.
I'm more excited that Alan's here because Alan never comes on the show with us, so we're really delighted that you're here. This is the last night that we are doing our abbreviated versions of Law Call.
Right.
Last time that we're going on very late into the evening. There are some things that are staying the same. Bill, you're still going to be here on Mondays with us.
Yes, I'm going to still be here every Monday during the noon news show. And usually our segment starts around 12:20. It's kind of a mini version of Law Call. We'll take your questions live, and it does not matter what the topic is. So if you have any questions, give us a call, and that is every Monday for all year long.
Yeah, it's great that you'll be continuing that. And you have got some exciting things in the works as well. He's been blogging, guys. Alan blogs now.
I don't even know how to spell blog. But to get to the point, we're going to have two new exciting things with Alan's answers. One, we've got some good new Alan's answers recorded for this year, as well as the blog. Each week we'll be releasing a blog. Last week we spoke a little bit about the storm damage down in Florida, and we've got some great topics picked out for the blog for next year.
And how can they find that blog?
Go to erlawfirm.com to our webpage, and the blog will be right there for you to take a look at that.
Yeah, we talk about really important things on this show, but we can't get to everything, and so it's really good to have a reference people can go back to and look up important tips on the blog. And then you'll also have some new segments coming up too, and your Alan's answers coming up in the new year.
Yep.
So speaking of the new year, 2019, what do you like to tell people as they're preparing for the new year? This is the time people are signing up for gym memberships and cleaning house and that kind of things, but there's things that you recommend that folks do legally.
Yeah, all the fun stuff like, don't eat too much or go to the gym.
New Year's resolutions.
Yeah, but nerdy lawyers like us, we kind of think on outside the box a little bit about things that you should take care of in the upcoming year. And I believe we have a graphic here as far as things that we need to look forward to. The first is update your insurance policies. Now that doesn't sound all exciting, but
it really doesn't.
It really doesn't. But I'll tell you what, in fact, Alan and I just ran into this a couple of weeks ago on a case of ours where someone's child turned 18 and they did not put them on the policy on their automobile insurance, and so when that child had the accident, lo and behold, no coverage was afforded whatsoever. So you need to make sure what your insurance policy says and what's covered and what's not. The second part there, we talk about every now and then, uninsured motorist coverage. It's the most important insurance you can have. Get as much of it as you can. I cannot stress, especially with how many people are out there without insurance. And Alan, the third thing there about follow up on your legal claims.
Yeah, for those of you who have outstanding legal claims, there are time limits that we talk about oftenly. In Alabama, there's a 2-year statute of limitations on negligence claims and a 6-year statute of limitations on contract issues. And so it's important to follow up on those and not let that time run out on you.
All right, so lots of important things to keep in mind in the upcoming year, and I'm just so excited that next week we're back to our normal time.
Don't have to stay up late anymore.
Yeah, 30-minute shows. We'll be taking more of your calls next week, and then also something that you're going to be continuing in the new year is
our office every Monday morning. Between 9 a.m. and 10 a.m., we dedicate the entire staff to answering any questions whatsoever that you might have. It's all free. It doesn't matter what the question is. It could be about bankruptcy, personal injury, divorce. It doesn't matter. And obviously, you can call us any time of the week, but in that particular time, our whole staff is ready.
And then you'll be on our noon show as well.
Yep.
Mondays during our noon newscast.
That's right.
All right.
Yep. Every Monday.
Yeah. Okay. Thanks so much for staying up late with us. That's the last time I get to say that. We'll see you next Sunday night for our full 30-minute version of Law Call. We'll see you then.